news. So, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon to get latest news super fast. Oreo for the LG G6 started rolling out at the end of last month, and with Korea becoming the ground for its soak test. All went well, it seems, as the update quickly reached Verizon in the US and is now storming European units. We've received a couple of tips, one from Portugal and other from Latvia, confirming the commencement of the rollout. Other European markets should also be getting the update as we speak. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.